this view up here. There's a view of our ship.
That's amazing.
We just took a van ride all the way to the top of this mountain. The view up here is unbelievable.
Copy that. And here. Take a seat.
Coming with you?
It's a little freaky. Oh, this is gonna be awesome.
Guys, remember chest forward, knees apart. Very important.
I'm coming after you guys.
Landing zone, flight deck. I got 3 lines ready loaded on line 1, 2, and 3.
Copy that, line clear, flaps and plane, landing zone is ready.
Copy that, landing 3.
Copy that.
Ready? Let's go.
Oh crap!
Woo! Oh, this is awesome. Ready to land. Whoa.
That was awesome. Awesome.
Oh yeah.
Woo.
How was it?
It was awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What do you think, Ed?
Impressive. It's just totally chill all the way down.
Lindy, what do you think?
That was awesome.
It's really, it's
$100.
it's pretty relaxing, actually.
Yeah, it
It
was chill.
really was. I thought for sure I
Chill
would
all the way
like-
down. I knew that stop was coming. You
Yeah.
see my fat butt went out way out front place. Like I think I'm going too fast. I think they're looking at me like, oh
Here he
man.
comes! Here he comes!
Yeah. Here comes
Oh,
here
that
comes
was-
a quick one. Let's go first. A big boy coming down the line.
It was it was awesome. It was way more relaxing than I
Yeah, it was totally chill. The whole
Not
ride was
scary-
just
not
relaxing.
scary.
Just looking around, not at
I
all.
thought
Were you scared?
Not at all.
No.
Standing on the
Not at
platform,
all.
I got a little, because I'm a little nervous with heights.
The platform
But I
is
know
more
I'm hooked
scary
on,
than
so
when
I'm
you
okay.
go.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah, the platform's scary.
I was
Sorry.
holding my feet on the platform and then I realized I'm locked in. I don't have to hold myself here.
Right.
Where are we going?